The more, the merrier. So I always say, the more, the merrier. The more people we have at a party, the merrier it'll be. မင်္ဂလာပါမချေးမရဲ့ English အစီအစဉ်ကကြိုဆိုပါတယ် Burglish ကလည်းကြိုဆိုပါတယ် Burglish ဆိုတာဗမာစကားနဲ့ English စကားကိုရောပြီးအခါကျတော့ Burglish လို့ခေါ်တယ် Hello again everybody. Today we are going to talk about holiday phrases and holiday idioms that we can use when we are getting together with the people we love on the holidays, right? Soဒီနေ့ကတော့ဂျင်းမွန်တို့ကဒီ holiday idioms holidays ကဂူးတွေအားလရက်နေတယ်ကြောင်းနည်းနည်းလေးပြောပြမယ်เนาะဒီ holiday မှာအချစ်ဆုံးတငယ်ချင်းတွေနဲ့အချစ်ဆုံးမိသားစုနဲ့တူတူစုတာเนาะ So I hope you're doing something fun for the holidays ဒီ holidays အတွက်တခုခုပျော်စရာလုပ်ပါစေလို့ဂျင်းမွန်ကwish လုပ်တာเนาะ All right, let's get started. Okay, I love this phrase because I believe in it so much. The more, the merrier. So I always say, the more, the merrier. The more people we have at a party, the merrier it'll be. It'll be merrier, right? Merry. Merry is to be happy, to have fun. Oh, be jolly, be merry, be happy, right? ပျော်ရွှင်ပျော်ပါစေ no? So လူများတယ်တငယ်ချင်းတွေအများကြီးရှိရင်လူတွေအများကြီးရှိရင်ပို့ပျော်မယ် Patia, no? Anywhere you go, whatever you do, the more, the merrier. So I always say whenever I have a party or I'm at a party, when people want to invite their friends, yes, please invite them. The more, the merrier. The more, the merrier. So during the holidays, I love to get together with the people I love, with my best friends, with my family, and it's just so fun, no? So alaya nema, holiday ma, Christmas ma, anytime, New Year's ma, jimwa, chisong tinga jinena, amitazu na, dudu, supauna, jaita. I like to get together, right? So get together, along supauna. We're getting together, we're uniting, we're reuniting. A get-together can also be a noun in some ways, like instead of saying party, you can say, oh, I'm going to a get-together, right? It's just a get-together where everybody is together, where everybody congregates, no? A get-together. During the holidays, people often spread holiday cheer. They spread cheer, right? So cheer is fun. Cheer is happiness. Cheer is just love in general, no? So holiday ma soin, Christmas ma, New Year's ma, tumyareo pyo aung lota, no? Pyo zia aung lota, pyo de hareo piana, no? Cheer piana. No, you're spreading cheer, you're spreading happiness. You try to make other people happy. And you try to be very kind. So what do? I bake cookies or go out of my way to make little events to spread holiday cheer. I try to make other people happy and connect them. No? So tumyario jimoa cookies day twa pede pyoshwen aung lochamo troja. I love this phrase too, and it's called, have you ever heard of, it's the thought that counts. It's the thought that counts. Just sedana be ayijira, no? Atui be ayijira, right? Your sedana be ajobira, no? Yeah, I love it in Burmese too. Sedana be ajobira. Your karma is your thoughts, your kindness, right? It's the thought that counts. It means that something like a gift doesn't have to be expensive. No present ka zemaji and la yada. No tumyaw taku pe yin zemaji and la yada. Atwe be sedana be ayijira. Tro kankang mu na tro driya bi ka jo kankang le pe yin. It's the thought that counts. Not the present doesn't have to be expensive, but if it's a thoughtful gesture from the heart and it shows your kindness. Yeah, so the gift The present doesn't have to be expensive. It's the thought that counts. The thought that counts. That's all that matters, no? Okay? So thank you for the well wishes and always thinking well of me. And I wish you well for the holidays, okay? I wish I can give you all so many gifts because I love gift giving. But right now it's the thought that counts, okay? And I love you and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Thank you so much for your support throughout this whole year.